to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm here with a video for you, and it's a video on how I achieved this wig. So if you want to know every single thing step by step on how I created this bang coily wig look, please keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video you would get it, and enjoy.
In order for you to make a wig, you'll be needing a dome cap, your hair, the mannequin head, the needle, thread, elastic band, T-pins for you to be able to hold down your wig cap to the mannequin head, a pair of scissors, and all these items you see on the screen. I applied the dome cap to the head and used T-pins to hold it down, and then I'm going to take the longest length of the hair I have. The information for this hair will be left in the description box. And then I'm going to take my needle and thread, and I'm going to start sewing around the tracks as shown in the video. I'm so sorry that this video is not detailed enough. It was impossible to sew the wig and film at the same time because I don't have a wig stand, and I was using my legs to hold the mannequin head. But all I did was I kept sewing the hair around the tracks in a circular motion. No, U motion first, then when I got to the front in a circular motion, which will be shown as much as possible on this video.
So that is it about how I made the wig. I know it wasn't so detailed because it was a bit difficult for me to film while I was sewing the wig, but I hope it explained a little bit or to a great extent for you guys on how to make a coily bang wig. I had to cut this wig off camera because I had to put it on and then I cut it in front of the mirror, so I wasn't able to film that part. But the only thing I did was I just threw it on my hair, combed it out, and then used the scissors and cut it. There wasn't any special thing I did to achieve the length, whatever. This is actually my first time of creating a bang look like this. So I hope the video will help any other person out there that is trying to do or make this kind of wig. And thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and bye.